What's going on, YouTube? Alright, this is Petty underscore 5.7, man. Back with my first video on YouTube. And I'm trying to figure out why the fuck my car won't start. So I got back from a car meet last Saturday. And the next Sunday I tried to get into it and my car just clicks. Like it just clicks. It'll just do that, turn it off, and you know, it's clicking. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but all it's doing is when I hit that, it just click, click, and then that's it. So I'm trying to figure out, I got my battery tested the other day. Everything was good. I tried to redo the, well, not redo. I tried to switch the relay fuses out because I was told to do that too. We got a 2015 Dodge Charger R57. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. I don't know if anybody else is having the same issues, but I've already tried to redo my fuse, relay starter switches, and redo that. That still gave it nothing. I tried to put a new key fob battery in. That still didn't do anything. So now I'm like, yo, what the fuck? People saying it's the starter, so I'm guessing I'm gonna try to start with the starter. But as of right now, I don't know. That's all it's doing is just clicking. So I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. If y'all have any questions or anything, drop them in a comment. If you had this shit happen to you before, let me know what's going on. This is my first time trying to figure out what's going on. My shit ain't never done this before. So they say it's the code. So yeah, if y'all got any solutions or what was going on with y'all shit. So yeah, it's a 2015 Dodge Charger 57. You can follow me on Instagram at Petty underscore 5.7. That's Petty underscore 5.7. Peace out, YouTube.